Hi there. Today we are going to be reading and highlighting Lesson 3 of Unit 3, Earth and Human Activity. If you look to the table of contents, you will see that Lesson 3 starts on page 28. Turn to that page in your student reader or find it in the digital version, and let's begin. Dams and salmon. Migrating salmon. The Chinook salmon travel thousands of miles over their lifetime. They are born in fresh water at the mouth of the Columbia River. When they are old enough, they swim downstream until they reach the Pacific Ocean. There, they grow into adults. Adult salmon can reach 18 kilograms or 40 pounds. As adults, salmon must swim upstream. They follow the same path but in the opposite direction to arrive at the same fresh water where they were born to lay their own eggs. This location is called their spawning grounds. A dangerous journey. The journey of the Chinook salmon is dangerous. When the fish first come out of their eggs, they are tiny, barely an inch long. They remain in their stream for about a year as they grow larger. Many animals hunt the salmon for food in the stream as they begin their migration down the river. The salmon can become meals for larger fish, birds, and land animals such as bears. The salmon that survive the journey to the ocean grow large there. Then they must begin their journey back, swimming upstream against the current. They face predators on this journey as well. A predator is an animal that eats other animals. Animals that get eaten by other animals are called prey. Damming the river. Another danger facing the salmon is that people have changed the natural flow of the water. This is done with dams. A dam is a special kind of wall that holds back water. Dams slow down the flow of a stream or a river. Because of this, people use dams to control flooding. They also cause water to pool behind them. This creates a new pond or lake called a reservoir. How dams help people. People also use dams for electricity. Most of the electricity in the northwest United States comes from dams on the river. Electricity that comes from moving water is called hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is a renewable energy source because it can be replenished in a short period of time. Remember that moving water has kinetic energy. In a dam, that moving water turns turbines. Those turbines turn a metal shaft in an electric generator, which is a motor that produces electricity. People use the electricity to power lights, electronics, and other appliances. So if you look at the diagram here, we have the water coming in through the gates. It'll go through this tunnel, which then hits the turbine and turns it. As it turns the turbine, it will power the generator, which then sends electricity out to the power lines and to the people. And the rest of the water, after it's been turned, will continue to go through to the river. Protecting salmon. When fish reach the reservoir of a dam, the river current stops. Without the flow of water, the fish become confused because they lose their sense of direction. Dams can also be deadly. If a fish is swept into the turning blades of a turbine, it can be killed. Many commercial fishermen value Chinook salmon. Because of this, they want to help protect the fish. So, engineers have designed different technologies to protect the salmon. Most of these technologies, like fish ladders, help the salmon move past the dam so they can continue their journey to the ocean. So a fish ladder is like a series of steps that the fish will hop through as they go through the current. And they won't get caught in the dam, they'll be able to kind of hop over. And that is the end of Lesson 3. Make sure you have finished highlighting, and I'll catch you in the next video.